Earlier, so earlier, while I was cleaning this house, I went here in Tainan, and there's few signs that I saw on YouTube, on TikTok, that I should probably start making content creations on YouTube or in TikTok about my experiences, about my what's happened to me, my moral, my life lessons, and probably even my daily life, or probably just memories in general. And maybe the reason why content creation is uh something that is kind of aligned for me is maybe to work out on my self-confidence. Maybe it was a sign for me to work out on my self-confidence too. While watching this one video that I stumbled on YouTube, like it was just coincidence, since I I kind of uh, uh, feeling enough of listening music. I don't feel like listening to the music anymore since it's too much on my ears now. I've grown tired of it. And then and I exit and I saw this one video on my For You page or in my timeline. This one video about a millionaire one and her tips that which she knew way back on her 20s. And one thing she told is to improve the intellectual um I forgot about it, but it's like investing on your knowledge, on your skills, because it's like saying that I am first asset. Like, in order for opportunities to come, I have first to be available, that I am available in the market, or I am available just by hearing my name is something valuable, that there's something that I can show when when opportunities come. There's something that I can show or I have prepared. And honestly, there's are times that I'm really rushing on opportunities, like, oh, I'm jobless right now, that I wanted money, but at the same time, maybe I should maybe um honestly, I'm not sure yet. There are times that I think that I should probably try selling my product now, but also maybe I should try to improve my Chinese skill first, or maybe try this content creation and also living in the moment. Um, let's say in some of the TikTok that I found, I saw that there's a kind of dots, connecting dots, that it appears like saying that um, maybe I should try to reconnect first with my family, with my friends. That it's one of the most important first, and also, yeah, the intellectual, the friends and family, that I should gathering skills as much as I do, as much as I can, and maybe start a YouTube video, even though it sucks sometimes, since I'm just trying to like daily blogs for my life lessons. There are times that I forget things, something like that. But who cares? Let's try. Maybe this will got no views at all on, not sure. But if it do, mm, I hope that you manage to have patience on my communication skills right now, my speaking skills. So yeah, later we'll go out with my father